After a year and a half of development, we're finally proud to present to you the next generation of TCC linking rings, the wonderful linking rings. The entire set of linking rings is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy, which is lightweight and has extremely high strength. We also use seamless welding technology, and then hand-polished by craftsmen to ensure that the finish is perfect. The ring diameter is 11.8 inches, and the weight of a single ring is less than 100 grams. This is the most suitable size and weight for stage performance, balancing both effect and portability. We also invited FISM winner Axel Hecklau. In his 40 minutes tutorial, you will learn his dreamy silent moves.
So this
wonderful linking rings, wonderful experience.